If your iPhone is feeling slow or glitchy, it might be running low on storage space. So an iPhone Cleaner app might help give your iPhone a performance boost and free up extra space. Today, I'm going to share 5 different iPhone Cleaner apps that can ease up this process. But before we dive in, do us a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on our content. Starting off, CleanMy Phone. This app helps you find duplicates or similar photos in your camera roll and then free up space. I've included a link down below in the description for you to download it, or you can also scan this code with your iPhone to get the app. Once you open CleanMy Phone, you'll see the declutter option, which analyzes and sorts your media files, selecting those you may not want to keep any longer, including duplicates, blurred photos, and screenshots. And there's also the Organize module, which shows you stuff that you might want to organize in similar photos that might not be that relevant for you. After the scan is complete on both of these modules, you will have the option to tap on each of the categories of clutter to deselect the ones that you want to keep, or you can go ahead and clean it all. Next, Cleanup. This is an app that will help you clean up your photos, contacts, and emails super quickly. It scans your iPhone for duplicate photos and videos, making it super simple to use, and it does a great job of finding similar photos. The app also has flexible subscription choices. It offers a 7-day free trial, which is a bit longer than the usual 3-day trial, and after that, you can choose between a weekly or lifetime subscription. The only downside is that the app has a few ads, which might be annoying, but again, you can upgrade to a premium version at $3.99 per week. The third app is Phone Cleaner, and it does exactly what its name suggests. This app scans for duplicate and similar photos, organizing your pictures and videos by size so you can easily delete larger files first. And it also helps tidy up your contacts by merging duplicates. However, all of these features are only available with a subscription starting at $3.99 per week, and unfortunately, there is no trial option. Next, Boost Cleaner. This app has a user-friendly interface that shows your iPhone storage as soon as you open it, and from there you can choose between the Fast Cleaner feature, which scans both your contacts and photo library, or opt to scan contacts, photos, or videos separately. In addition, Boost Cleaner also serves as a compression tool for photos and videos. But keep in mind that some subscription options don't include a free 3-day trial. So if you want to try it out first, you will need to choose a yearly subscription. App number 5 is Cleaner Kit. This app also removes duplicate photos and contacts, but it includes some helpful extras. Besides merging duplicates, it allows you to monitor your storage and organize photos, videos, and contacts. The app offers a 3-day free trial, and then it costs $6.99 per week. There's also a yearly subscription option, which lowers the weekly cost. And last but not least, Cleanfox. This app is awesome for those who receive a bunch of spam and promotional emails. I personally have over 25,000 unread emails that I just don't have the time to sort through, and let's be real, most of them aren't even worth reading. Luckily, Cleanfox can help by sorting through your inbox, letting you decide which emails to delete and which subscriptions to cancel. Plus, it's free. Now, before I conclude, what's your favorite iPhone Cleaner app? Also, make sure to check out our video on how to clear storage on iPhone. The link is included in the description below. And there you have it. These are the best iPhone Cleaner apps. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. That way, you stay in the loop for all things iPhone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.